वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का चैप्टर नंबर 9 सोशल साइंस सेमेस्टर 2 आवर इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम इन फर्स्ट पॉइंट। तो इसके सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। तो चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इन फर्स्ट पॉइंट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज बिलोंग टू प्राइमरी सेक्टर? द आंसर इज बी, एग्रीकल्चर। सेकंड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इकोनॉमिक्स एक्टिविटीज बिलोंग टू सर्विस सेक्टर? द आंसर इज सी, banking job. Third, which of the following economics activity belong to secondary sector? The answer is A, manufacturing security equipment. Fourth, which of the following sector is also known as manufacturing sector? The answer is D, secondary sector. Fifth, which of the following is an industry of public sector? The answer is A, Bhilai steel plant. Six, to which sector does Oil and Natural Gas Corporation belong? The answer is B, public sector. 7. What types of industry is the Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited? The answer is D, private sector. 8 point, what type of industry is the Mehsana Dudhsagar Dairy? The answer is D, cooperative sector. 9th, what type of industry is the Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited? The answer is B, public sector. 10. From which year of the industrial policy did the Indian government make changes in the economic policy? The answer is C, from 1991. 11. Which aspect was not included in the improvement made by the industrial policy of 1991? The answer is D, nationalization. 12. Which process is joint sector a part of? The answer is B, privatization. Page number 77, 13 point, which industrial policy did the Indian government implement in 1991? The answer is A, economic liberalization. 14. In which year was the World Trade Organization established? The answer is D, in 1995. 15. What is the process by which public sector or government owned unit are handed over to private owner known as? The answer is A, privatization. 16. By which policy of the government are international market and product coming closer to one another? The answer is C, globalization. 17. Which of the following companies has made a place for itself in the international market? The answer is C, Asian Paint. Question 2, filling the blanks. In first point, the sector providing raw material for food commodities and industrial manufactured good is known as dash sector. The answer is primary. Second, the activity that makes raw material useful after completing some mechanical process on primary sector product is known as the economic activity of the dash sector. The answer is secondary. Third problem, travel and entertainment are activities of the dash sector. The answer is service. Fourth, industries that are under the ownership of the government and run under government policies are known as dash sector industries. The answer is public. Fifth, industries that are owned and run by private owners are known as dash sector industries. The answer is private. 6. Many times people of the society come together and form a cooperative groups which undertakes manufacturing and selling process such as unit is known as dash sector unit. The answer is cooperative. 7. The Indian government implemented the policy of liberalization in the year dash. The answer is 1991. The dash sector is the part of the process of privatization. The answer is mixed. 9. The WTO was established in dash. The answer is 1995. 10. More job opportunity have been created in the dash sector due to the unique revolution in the field of information technology. The answer is service. 11. Many times some small scale industries suffer losses due to dash. The answer is world trade. Page number 78, question 3, true false. In first point, we use many natural product in their original form. The answer is true. Second, the activity of making jaggery from sugarcane is an activity of the primary sector. The answer is false. Third, area and sea roots are the part of the activities of the secondary sector. The answer is false. Fourth, minerals are found from the surface of the earth. The answer is false. Fifth, torrent power is an industry of the private sector? The answer is true. 6. Private owner have more power in cooperative sector industry? The answer is true. Kanta works is in an organized firm? The answer is true. Kamal works in an unorganized firm? The answer is true. 9. Public enterprises is a part of the process of privatization? The answer is false. Question 4. Match the pair section A, B. Agriculture and possible measures. In first point, agriculture, land without irrigation. The answer is fourth, irrigation canals made by government. Second point, less return on crop production. सेकंड का थर्ड आंसर है परचेस ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स बाय गवर्नमेंट. थर्ड, इंडेप्टिनेस. थर्ड का फिफ्थ आंसर है फैसिलिटी ऑफ लोन एट लो इंटरेस्ट रेट बाय बैंक. फोर्थ, लैक ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी ड्यूरिंग रिसेशन. द आंसर इज फर्स्ट, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री. फिफ्थ, प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सीलिंग द क्रॉप बाय फार्मर आफ्टर हार्वेस्टिंग. फिफ्थ का सेकंड आंसर है कोऑपरेटिव कमोडिटीज फॉर सेल एंड परचेस. क्वेश्चन 5, क्लासिफाई द फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल into organized and unorganized sector. In first point, the teachers teaching in school. The answer is organized. Second, a farmer irrigating his own field. The answer is unorganized. Third, a doctor treating patient in a hospital. The answer is unorganized. Fourth, a worker working on daily wages with a contractor. The answer is unorganized. Fifth, a worker who goes to work in a big factory. The answer is organized. Page number 79, question 6. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. In first question, what is primary sector? The answer is the sector providing raw material for food commodities and industrial manufactured goods is known as primary sector. Question 6 का question 2 है, which economic activities are included in the primary sector? The answer is forest areas, mining areas, animal husbandry areas, fisheries etc. are included in primary sector. Question 6 का question 3 है, what is known as the economic activity of the secondary sector? The answer is certain primary product can be used only after they have become processed into a finished product. Such economic activity is called the activity of the secondary sector. क्वेश्चन 6 का क्वेश्चन 4 है, विच इंपॉर्टेंट सर्विसेज हैव स्टार्टेड इन रिसेंट टाइम? द आंसर इज इन मॉडर्न टाइम्स एटीएम, कॉल सेंटर्स, सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनीज etc. हैव ऑल्सो बिकम इम्पॉर्टेंट सर्विसेज. क्वेश्चन 6 का क्वेश्चन 5 है, व्हाट इज नोन एज द पब्लिक सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज? गिव एग्जाम्पल. द आंसर इज इंडस्ट्रीज दैट आर ओन्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट एंड रन अंडर गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज आर नोन एज पब्लिक सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, भारत हैवी इलेक्ट्रिकल लिमिटेड्स. क्वेश्चन 6 का क्वेश्चन 6 है, व्हाट इज नोन एज प्राइवेट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज? गिव एग्जाम्पल. द आंसर इज इंडस्ट्रीज दैट आर ओन्ड एंड रन बाय प्राइवेट ओनर्स आर नोन एज प्राइवेट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड. क्वेश्चन 6 का क्वेश्चन 7 है, व्हाट इज नोन एज जॉइंट सेक्टर? गिव एग्जाम्पल. द आंसर इज इंडस्ट्रीज दैट आर ओन्ड एंड रन बाय बोथ गवर्नमेंट एंड प्राइवेट ओनर्स आर नोन एज जॉइंट सेक्टर यूनिट्स. For example, Maharashtra Scooters, the government enjoys greater control in this venture. Question 6 का question 8 है, give few examples of cooperative factors. The answer is cooperative sectors. In first point, the dairy run by the National Dairy Development Board, Dudhsagar Dairy, Amul Dairy etc. Apart from this, many sugar factories are run on government standard. Other cooperatives sectors units are, first point, Gujarat Cooperative Oilseed Growers Federation Limited, and second, Gujarat State Cooperative Marketing Society Limited. क्वेश्चन 6 का क्वेश्चन 9 है, पेज नंबर 80. क्वेश्चन 6 का क्वेश्चन 9 है, why has the Indian government made some changes in its economic policy which new aspect were included in the new policy so formed in 1991? The answer is the peace with the developing world to flow with the global tide and to make India a developed nation. The Indian government has brought about certain changes in its economic policy. In the new economic policy formulated in 1991, the three aspects liberalization, privatization and globalization were included. Question 10 है, what steps have been taken by the government to increase agriculture production? The answer is irrigation facilities have been developed in the country with the help of irrigation plants. Second, government provides chemical fertilizer like NPK, DAP and urea to farmers at subsidized rate. Third, government provides monetary loan are provided to needy farmer through agricultural loan plans. 11 है, from which year did India advocate the policy of liberalization? The answer is the policy of liberalization was promoted from the year 1991 onwards in India. Question 12. What is the meaning of economic liberalization? The answer is according to the policy of economic liberalization, certain regulations related to manufacturing, trade and commerce were removed. Duty and tax relaxation on import-export were announced. Privatization means the process by which government-owned enterprises or public sector industries are handed over to private agency or owner. Question 3. What has been the result of the policy of economic liberalization? The answer is due to the policy of economic liberalization, India has been able to keep pace with the world in terms of production, trade and commerce. It has also generated more employment opportunity. Question 6 का 14 question है, what does privatization means? The answer is privatization means the process by which government owned enterprises or public sector industries are handed over to private agencies or owners. Question 6 का question 15 है, what do you mean by globalization? The answer is globalization means the world becoming one or countries coming closer to one another. Due to globalization, any countries of the world can trade with another easily. Question 6 का 16 question है, why have new employment opportunity been created in the service sector in India? The answer is new employment opportunities have been created in the service sector in India due to information technology. Question 6 का 17 question है, how have customers benefited due to the economic policy of globalization? The answer is due to economic policy of globalization there is great competition in the world market. As a result, quality of good has improved and good quality products are available to customers at cheaper rate. Page number 81, question 7. Answer the following question in detail. In first question, state the effect of globalization. The answer is effect of globalization. In first point, employment opportunity have increased in the service sector with the advent of information technology. Second, phone, fax, mobile, email, internet, video conference, etc. are some of the revolutionary tools of information technology which transfer information faster at low cost. This has made the economic development of our country faster. Third point, multinational companies have started projects in different countries which have proved profitable for the host nation. Also, for example, the Ford Motors has a car manufacturing plant in India where cars are manufactured not only for India's but for other countries too. Occasionally, India receives the advantage of such plants. Other example are Tata Motors, Asian Paints, etc. that exports their good globally. Fourth, competition in the world market result in high quality goods being available to customers at low prices. For example, Chinese toys have become very popular in the Indian market due to their low prices and attractive designs. Within a year, Chinese toys have replaced Indian toys in 70% to 80% shops. Thus, toys are cheaper in the Indian market now than they were previously. Page number 82, question 2. Why did government need to divert itself towards privatization? The answer is privatization means the process by which government owned enterprises or public sector industries are handed over to private agencies or owners. This happened because public sector units were suffering losses while private sector units were making more profit. The joint sector is a part of the process of privatization. After independence, many public ventures started by the government made lesser profit with the passage of time. They incurred heavy losses due to this. Many public ventures had to be closed down. The economic was impacted though workers were united. Quality and industries suffered. On the other sides, emphasis on quality increased, which helped the private sector to make good profit. These circumstances motivated privatization, so the government showed an inclination towards private sector. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं. अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.